Hi guys. It seems like these days just about everybody has a Ring video doorbell. But did you know that you can get Halloween sounds for your Ring video doorbell? Here's how to do it. Open the Ring app. Up here at the top left, you'll see 3 lines. Click on the lines. Come down to Devices. Click your device. Go down to Device Settings, Alert Settings, App Alert Tones, and you can choose either the Ring setting or the motion detector setting. I'm not going to change my Ring setting. I have it on the Ring default. I'm going to change the motion setting, and you get these cool Halloween sounds like this. Addams Family theme. Bats. I like this one, Ghosts. And last, creaking door. I like Ghost. I'm going to change my motion detector to Ghost, so anytime anybody comes to my front door, I will hear this. I thought that was pretty cool. Thanks for watching, and have a happy Halloween.